rounding out at number 4, we have the return of the big splash product launches. So really being very strategic about planning for these product launches, starting way early. And by early, I mean 9 months before that product launches, maybe even a year before that product launches. So giving yourself enough runway to be very holistic in coverage. You're seeing a lot of co-marketing being woven into these product launches. Video content is a big element to these. And of course, the long scrolling pillar page that I mentioned earlier is a big deal for these product launches too. So how can we have one page that has all of the major elements you would need to learn about that product or that product family, from case studies to demo videos to value proposition to specs. So having everything at least being able to be found from this one long scrolling page. Visual elements are another important one. So think about product launch, product campaign. What are the visual elements that we need to support that? So one is is there thematic colors and design for the launch itself that take the company brand, but take it into something that's visually appealing, that ties all the different pieces of content together? And then also, what are particular visual things that we can create that help tell the story? So is that, teaching diagrams that show the inner workings of a system? Are those interactive graphics that someone can click on and click through to online? So how do we, infographics are another one to tell stories and give data in an appealing way. We also saw the return of calendars as a visual element or posters. So think creatively when it comes to visual and how that could support your next big product launch or campaign.